If you want a mirror that's always clear and shows your true beauty, we've got something for you. We created an LED mirror that's brighter and more color accurate, perfect for makeup, the Decoraport LED Mirror. This is a mirror from other brands. This is the Decoraport LED Mirror. As you can see, the Decoraport mirror looks whiter when the lights are off. This one looks darker. Now, let's turn them on. You can obviously see the Decoraport mirror is much brighter. So the competitor's mirror is under 1,000 lux, and the Decoraport LED mirror is over 1,500 lux. And not just brighter, the Decoraport LED stripes have a color rendering index higher than 90. The quality of the lighting is excellent, just like cinema lighting. Our mirrors truly reflect your beauty and your complexion, just like natural light. Decoraport, the mirror expert.